In the warm embrace of Paradise Valley, Arizona, lies the Mockingbird House, a masterpiece that blends modern design with the raw beauty of the desert. Your courtyard style and low-profile design redefine luxury with their harmonious integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. The arid beauty of the desert meets the sophistication of modern living in this house designed by the architecture firm The Ranch Mine. The solid travertine masses of the residence pay homage to the rugged mountains surrounding the property, anchoring the dwelling in its natural context. The earthy tones and textured surfaces of the travertine not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal of the house, but also serve as a grounding element. As you approach the house, what first captures the eye is the striking interplay of metal fins adorning the exterior. Inspired by the slender and resilient ocotillo plants scattered across the desert landscape, these fins create a dynamic visual texture while serving practical purposes, shading the interior spaces from the intense Arizona sun and providing privacy from passing cars on the street. The interiors reflect organic and neutral tones, allowing nature to take center stage. Exposed aggregate concrete and wood cabinets flow throughout. The architectural layout takes the form of a C around a central courtyard, with the heart of the house being the main room featuring 3 multiple sliding doors that connect to both the central courtyard and the backyard. This ensures a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces, allowing residents to find sun or shade, social areas, or solitude at any time of the day. A massive steel-clad fireplace anchors the main room. The backyard is designed as a true sanctuary, featuring a covered patio supported by thin metal fins and anchored by a steel fireplace. A sunken circular fire pit provides an intimate space. Under the cover, there is a complete kitchen with a concrete island, dining areas, and living spaces. The pool extends from this area to the master suite and features a sun shelf and a hot tub for relaxation. In the main bathroom, skylights and high windows bathe the space in ever-changing natural light, enhancing the white fire clay tiles. The Mockingbird House, with its modest height, only 457 meters, sunken fire pit, pool, and organic interiors that embrace the sunny charm of Arizona, offers a sanctuary that truly celebrates its natural surroundings.